Hi there. If you're watching this video, then that sadly means that at some point in your life, you have been personally victimized by a nail tech near you. Maybe you sent your nail tech a picture of some nails that you saw that you thought would be really cute, and she said that she could do it. But when you went to the salon, you sat there for 2 hours, and when you left the salon, your nails looked nothing like what you envisioned. Or maybe you decided to try a new salon, and you went in and you got the normal set that you always get, but for some reason at this salon it's $30 more than your salon back at home. And normally you tip. Normally you're a really good tipper. But now you're embarrassed because they've already taken so much money from you that you weren't expecting. And now you're supposed to tip on top of that? You're supposed to tip on top of that? Or maybe you simply just went in for a pedicure and you walked back to the pedicure station and you sat down in that massage chair expecting to unwind from your week because you deserve it. You deserve it. But it turns out that their massage chairs are trash, and so are their nail techs. Regardless of how you've been wronged by the nail salons near you, I'm here to tell you that there's hope, and together, we will find a better way. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on my press-on nails. I'm going to be telling you guys where I get them from, how much they cost, and most importantly how I get them to last just as long as any acrylic set. Before we get started, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well as turn on your bell notifications. That way you don't miss any of my other posts. And if you're interested in learning more about my press-on nails, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have been wearing press-on nails for a minute now, which is really saying something for me. I never thought that I would be a press-on nail girl because I feel like we all, when we think of press-on nails, we think of like the little press-on nails at Dollar Tree, and that's just really not the look that we're going for. But recently I have been hipped, I have been changed, I have been reformed, I've been put on to press-on nails. There are so many different styles of press-on nails. Like you can find the finest press-on nails, which I was not expecting. So I'll insert like a picture or something of like the press-on nails that I have so far. I'm not going to be showing you guys like or talking about the nails in this video. I'm just going to show you this picture because like later I plan on doing like a press-on nail haul. And also I was surprised by the length variety that you can get with press-on nails, because like the press-on nails that I've always seen are always really short, and I mean that's cool sometimes, but I'm more of like a long nail girl. Like I prefer to have claws, you know, on an everyday basis. For a lot of us when we do our summer internships, and even, you know, in a couple years when we do finish up and graduate, we know like if you're headed to corporate America, you probably won't be able to do the claws for much longer. So whenever I can and whenever I'm in school, I prefer to have a longer length of nail. And also a lot of the nails come with designs, like they'll have rhinestones and marble and the whole shebang. So there's definitely a variety. Like if you're the type of girl that really likes, you know, popping nails, you like designs, you like rhinestones, you like all of that, there are definitely still press-on nails for you. But basically why I got into wearing press-on nails is just because I don't know about y'all, but like these nail techs, they like to change their prices. Like they like to change them a lot. So if I go in 1 week and I get a gel fill in with no broken nails, I expect that to cost the same amount as when I go in the next 2 weeks and I get a gel fill in with no broken nails. But like for some reason there's always a variation that I can't figure out. Like I'm just like, can y'all explain this math to me? Like can y'all explain y'all's pricing? Like I'm trying to figure out like where's this extra $5 coming from, you know?
Where does your money go?
Also, I don't know about y'all, but like as far as things go, the most important thing to me at this point in my life is my time. As most of y'all know, I'm an engineering major as well as a YouTuber, a makeup artist, you know, fashionista, all of that, Instagram baddie, period. Okay. But as many of y'all know that I'm also an engineering major, and engineering takes up 99% of my time, and the other 1% I'm trying to sleep or film YouTube videos. So the one thing that I definitely don't have time for is to sit in the nail salon for 3 hours waiting to get my nails done. So it's just taking a lot of time out of my weekends, which is time when I actually have, you know, a break from school and I can record. So yeah, so I've been looking for a way to get around that. So I recently have been digging more into press-on nails, and I have been pleasantly surprised. But yeah, I feel like I have said that I need to say to convert you. If you're not converted by now, sis, I don't get what the hold up is. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I apply my nails. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start off by taking this decorative bowl that I got at Walmart, because remember, our nails is supposed to be an experience for us, so you want to have something aesthetically pleasing. Then I'm just going to take that bowl and fill it up with warm water, followed by body gel. This is just to make it a little bit sudsy, make it smell good, and we're going to go ahead and clean our hands because we want clean cuticles. So I'm just going to go ahead and start stirring that up so I can get the water nice and sudsy. Then I'm going to go in and just rinse my hands really quick. And after I'm done rinsing my hands, I'm just going to go in with this hand scrub. It's actually just a body scrub. You can pick it up at Ulta or Walmart. And I'm just going to be scrubbing my hands. This not only makes the skin on my hands nice and soft, but it also cleans our cuticle, buffs away any, oil or, dead skin or anything. And it also softens the cuticle, so when we go in and clip our cuticles later, it'll be easier to clip. Okay, so now that our cuticle is nice, clean, and dry, we're just going to go in with this cuticle pusher and push back our cuticles. I'm only going to show y'all a second of this because my cuticle pusher is not as strong as it needs to be, obviously, so I was really struggling trying to push back these cuticles. But make sure that you just get a quality cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles. Next, I'm going to go in with my cuticle clipper, and I'm actually going to be going around and clipping my cuticles. So I am not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional, so make sure, if you're also not a professional, just make sure that you take your time with this part so that you don't accidentally, hurt yourself or clip too much, because you can hurt yourself. Next, I'm just going to be going in with some nail clippers, and rather than clipping off my nails, I'm really just going to be shaping mine. I am actually trying to grow my nails under my press-on nails, and also I find that this gives my my press-on nails a little bit more surface area to stick to, so they last a little bit longer. So rather than clipping off all of my nail, I'm really just going to go in and shape them up really nice. Once my nails are clipped, I'm just going to go in with a nail file and shape up my nails, make sure that there's no sharp edges and that my nails are nice and rounded so that they are less liable to break. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go in with this nail buffer. This is the part that's actually going to make your nails adhere to your nail bed. It's going to get rid of any oil, any dirt, any uneven surfaces, so that your nail really has a nice clean nail bed to stick to. And now for the star of the show, these are the nails that I'm going to be wearing today, and these are kissnails from their Masterpiece collection, and they are in the length extra long. I thought they were so cute. Every pack of nails comes with a nail glue as well as a nail file, and I guess a little wooden nail pusher or cuticle pusher, which would have been nice in the beginning when I was struggling. So basically what I'm going to do now is just go in and size all my nails to my nail beds, and once I find one size that matches one hand, I'm just going to go in and get that same size for the next hand because they'll most likely fit. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and just size all the nails on my left hand, and then I'll just go in and find that corresponding size for my right hand. Hey guys, so Future Asia here. I did just want to go ahead and give you guys a quick disclaimer on the glue that I just showed you guys. So the glue that I just showed actually is Gorilla Glue, and it's their super glue formula. I started using this glue as my nail glue after seeing Arnell Armand's video. This is the glue that she uses for her nails, and I didn't really think anything of it just because, there's a lot of things like in the beauty community that we use for different applications that really wasn't their like intended purposes, and I really didn't think that it was going to be any worse than like what the crap that we already put on our nails, like all the like acrylic mess and all this dipping powder and all the blue lights and everything like that. So I didn't really think that it would be any worse for you than just like all the stuff that we already put on our nails. But my mama saw this and she went off on me. So my mom is a chemistry major. She is, a safety and health person. Like she is, she about this life. So basically her concern was that like if you use this glue, it could seep into your nail bed. Apparently your nail bed is like a porous, a porous surface, and she was saying that possibly seep into your blood system, be really toxic. So after hearing that, I did go and do some research on the glue. Basically the only things that I found was it's toxic to inhale for too long. So try not to like directly inhale the scents for too long of a time. It's very toxic if it's ingested, and really not more so for like it being toxic, but more so that it will solidify after it's been swallowed. You know, like that type of blockage, like sometimes it can't be removed, and if you can't swallow anything, you can't eat anything. No bueno. I didn't see anything like what she was saying, like actually like, you know, poisoning people, but the back of the bottle does say that it could cause an allergic reaction to skin contact. But it does say that if it comes in contact with your skin, to call poison control center. I don't know if that's because of like the original statement that it said where you could have an allergic reaction. Not sure. But I did just want to go ahead and give you guys that disclaimer on the glue. And I know some of y'all probably like, girl, that's super glue, like you dumb, why would you use it anyway? But like, that's my thing. Sis, if you've ever gotten a perm, or if you're currently getting perms, you getting your chemicals too. We just get them in 2 different ways. And another thing, if you have ever, and I mean ever, use hair glue as eyelash glue, or let somebody else use milk of magnesia on your face as a face primer, like, sis, you don't get to judge me, okay? Because I'm in your house and I'm in your business, and you don't get to judge me, okay? You don't. Period! Just saying. But I did just want to go ahead and give you guys that quick disclaimer, because I would hate to, you know, recommend something to you guys that could possibly make you sick. I haven't had any bad reactions to it so far, I don't think. But if you guys do know of another nail glue that's actually a nail glue, or something that's like a little bit safer and long lasting, please let your girl know. Please comment down in the comments below so we can all get hip to it. But yeah, but that's really all I had to say. Back to video. So what I'm going to be doing now is just placing the glue on my nail bed, followed by on the actual nail. I have since learned that this is really not the best technique because it just puts too much glue on. I thought that would give me a stronger application, but actually, like with this glue, if you decide to use this glue, it's actually much better if you just put a thin layer just simply on your nails, and your nails will last a lot longer. However, if you're actually using like a regular nail glue, I think that this would be the perfect way to apply your nails. I think that if you give just a slight application to your nail bed followed by in the actual nail, I think that it'll help your nails to last a lot longer. Okay guys, well that is all for this video today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video on press-on nails. Let me know if you guys are interested in trying them, if you think that you would try them. If I have converted you to the press-on nail game, please let me know. Again, if you know of any other press-on brands that are like really popping and affordable, please let me know in the comments down below. As well as like if you guys have any questions about press-on nails, anything that I didn't answer in this video, make sure that you let me know down below. Also, like if you guys have any other video ideas for me, please let me know, because I am definitely trying to, you know, curate more videos towards what you guys want to see. So let me know if there's anything that you would like to see on my channel that you have not been seeing. Of course, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, as well as comment down below what you liked about it. And most importantly, before you leave this video, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you turn on your bell notifications for my channel so that you don't miss any of my other posts. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.